A dead language may still be studied through recordings or writings, but it is still dead or extinct unless there are fluent speakers. Although languages have always become extinct throughout human history, they are currently dying at an accelerated rate because of globalization. Many projects are underway aimed at preventing or slowing language loss. Australia has a proud modern immigration history. Government discrimination has been banished, replaced by a skill-based system generating unparalleled economic gain for Australia, creating an environment where innovation can thrive depends on immigration. With a population where 1 in 4 people are born overseas, Australia is already well positioned to kickstart a new period of growth. Hydropower is one of the renewable energies. In the past, hydropower was used for simple purposes by building a water wheel on water course and using it to drive a mill or machine. Today, this is how it works. The kinetic energy of the flowing water is converted into the mechanical energy of the turbine, which is converted into electrical energy or electricity for short in a generator. The American Cancer Society recommends following a healthy eating patterns at all ages. A new school year is the perfect time to try some healthier options for your child. Whether you are packing a lunchbox or making lunch at the kitchen counter, you can ensure they are eating healthy food that tastes good. The Spanish language has a rich and complicated history. It has navigated the rise and fall of great empires, has been a symbol of cultural identity, and has both been used as a tool of unity and caused considerable divisiveness. Today, it is the world's second most spoken native language and is used by people in all corners of the globe.